Selling to local businesses is brutal. You cold call, then you get ignored. You chase people who don't care, and you waste hours on pitches that go nowhere. But what I'm about to show you fixes all of this. You send one link. A business owner opens it and sees exactly what is missing in his business. No chasing, no ghosting, no begging for meetings. The demo does the pitch, the sales agent does the close. You just send the link and wait for the bookings. Today, I'm gonna be giving you this exact AI demo, and I'm gonna show you how to use AI to change it to any niche. So you can go up to any business owner in any vertical and have AI sell itself to them. So this is the AI demo I am talking about. As you see right here, it's pretty amazing. It's a website and it basically guides them through with two different AI agents. I'm going to walk you through this in a sec. But what makes this so powerful is that it shows, not tells a business owner what AI is. Yes, AI can help sell itself. If you don't believe me, you're like, there's no way AI can sell itself. Look at what people are saying about these demos.
It was like the agent sold itself. Straight up, it sold itself.
It kind of also takes the pressure off of me in the sales process, which I like.
Yeah, well, hence the self-selling.
And they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
So I could link so many more videos just like that, but this video would be hours long and I don't want to waste your time. But the point is these are incredibly powerful. But the most powerful thing is I'm going to show you how to take this demo using AI and vibe coders with AI and these AI agents and changing it to any niche you want. I'm talking HVAC, lawyer, electrician. That's what we're going to be showing you in this video, how to change it to anyone. Then what I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to sell this for a price point of up to $297 per month, okay, to local businesses so you can hit any niche possible. So this is going to be very tactical. This is going to be very in-depth. Okay, make sure at all during this video, if you have questions, you drop them down below. So first, let me go through the demo, okay? You take the link that I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you this whole thing for free, by the way. You send the link to the business owner, and as soon as they get on the website, this pops up. So it guides them exactly what to do. They can click anywhere, and immediately arrows guide them down to the blue button. How easy is that? They click this button, and then immediately they're guided to a support agent. So if they click this,
hey, you have reached our car detailing team. How can I help you today?
hey, I'm trying to get my car detailed.
Great, we can help with that.
So we can go through that whole conversation. I have other videos on this if you're confused at all, because I walked through the whole thing. It'll just take a long time. But they'll go through, they'll basically sell the business owner on, you guessed it, okay, car detailing. But see, when they click over here, it's going to guide them to Maria, who is a self-selling agent. So this one right here, this is really important you guys understand this. This agent right here is not trying to sell the business owner. It's selling the business owner's clients. It's proving that this is powerful. Maria over here sells them.
Hey, I'm Maria. Did you check out the demo?
I did. It's awesome. I want it in my car detailing company now.
Glad you liked it. Just so you know, this conversation may be recorded, and
See, it's going to go through talking directly to them, where this one is talking to their clients. This one sells, this one closes. Very important distinction, because what a lot of people are doing right now, this is why it took a long time to build this for you, is you guys are strictly going straight for the close, and business owners are going, I still don't understand what this is. You want to prove to them first that it works. So that's step number one. So now that you understand exactly what this is, we now need to go through the most important part about this is changing this demo to any niche so that we can go and target any service-based business. Yes, selling marketing services to service-based businesses, which is this smart website, which is this right here. In reality, we would give them this website and we would just take this off and then you're done. So you're still doing the work. Like this is like preemptively striking. That's what I love about this. You send this to a business owner and the work is already done. You then just have to get rid of this agent, which is very easy, just removing code, and then basically done your fulfillment. Because again, if you don't understand this, you're like, well, what the heck is the point of this thing? It's because it does sales and customer support 24/7 on a website. That's really what we want. It's a smart website. It's amazing. And by the way, if you're like, who is this guy in a robe talking to me? I'm a GHO wizard. I've won a ton of awards, as you see on the screen right now. I am very legit in this space. I spent a lot of time using this software. It is amazing. By the way, if you want access to this exact website and the exact AI and all of the AI agents that I've built for you, it's free. No, there's not some high ticket coaching you got to buy into. You just have to sign up with a 30-day free trial of Go High Level, which is this down below. By the way, not a 14-day. If you want to have only 14 days, go to their website. But I talked to the people at High Level. I said, hey, can I get a 30-day free trial for my subs? So you guys can come in. You can sign up with this. Try it risk-free. I'll also give you access to my entire community, all of my training modules, and calls every single week you can attend for free. Yes, even ones with me. The man, the myth, the legend. and a bunch of other amazing coaches that you can talk to whenever you want. And that is all free when you sign up with the 30-day free trial down below, not the 14-day, but the 30. And again, we have a lot of people winning, as you see here. But I did this real quick, guys, before we go into this, because I'm just going to get right into it. I set this up so that you could try this risk-free. Because a lot of people online, they'll be like, oh, buy this, try this, and you're kind of stuck. But I want you to genuinely try this, because once you see how powerful this website is and like this will aid in selling to local businesses for you, you'll see why it's worth it. But it's also, you get everything for free once you sign up. So, and you get to try it for 30 days. So first step, we need to go through and we need to change this exact website. So when you sign up for a high level down below, I will send you all of this. So this, the private community, all of these AI agents, and you'll have all of this pulled up. It'll just be like a link. It's called a snapshot. You click it, it pulls up. Simple as that. And you're going to want to go into the vibe coder, which if we come right over here, we go out here, it's this right here. You just click Agent Studio. It's going to pop up. Don't worry, we have calls where we can help you. It's very simple. And this is possibly the easiest AI thing ever. You're going to see how easy this is. Just watch. Like you can be a complete beginner and crush with this. I'm just going to say, please make this entire website actually for plumbers. Make everything plumbing related and make it for Jerry's Plumbing. Then we're going to click enter. And AI is going to do all the work for us. Even if you're a complete tech idiot, this will still absolutely do all the work. You'll see right here. Boom. Look at this. It redid the entire website in seconds. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm just going to show you the website so you can see this. Expert Plumbing Solutions. Look how good this is. Redid the entire website like that with a vibe coder. I mean, look, it's all plumbing related now. This is why I love this software. Like, you can be a complete idiot and make amazing things. That is why this is so incredible. So you just saw right here that we changed this entire thing literally in seconds. In seconds to be plumbing related. Now, part of the reason this did work super well is I already had the base set up. And again, I'm going to be giving you these templates for free, so do not worry. But when you have that good base, you set it up and you're pretty much dialed and good to go. So now that we have this part all dialed and we're like, this is amazing, we now need to move on to setting up the AI agents and getting all that situated so we can then move on to the next part, which is selling local businesses. So let's head over to Ask AI. So you need to have Ask AI pulled up. Then we're going to go to this exact agent called the Car Detail Intake Agent. We're going to copy this. And what we're going to do is we're going to say, please make this AI agent in here, the voice agent, become plumbing related. I'm not even spelling this right and it's still going to work. And we're going to click enter. And this AI agent is going to take this agent, completely change it into a plumber. And the reason we're doing this, guys, is I have the agent behavior and all this stuff set up just right so it sounds really good. See, that's why I'm giving you this all for free. If you do it alone, it'll take you a while to get everything fine-tuned, but you just take what I have once you sign up with high level, and then we just copy and paste it. That's how easy this is. So it's going to come right in here. It's going to do all the work for us. We're going to say yes. Boom. The agent has been successfully updated. In 5 seconds, it reverted this entire thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to click return. We're going to load this and we're going to check right now to see what happened. Look at that. Change the entire thing. So this looks good, but we might say, hey, I want to make it just a little bit longer because it looks pretty good, but let's make it just a little bit better. So I'm going to say, make it really good and name it. So if we come back here, we'll see the voice is Jerry. We'll just do Jerry. And now this is going to go through and it's going to do all the work again and update it. Do you guys see how beginner friendly this is? You just take the assets I created, then you talk to AI. That is why I am in love with this AI-powered software. No one does it like them. They give you the tools to become an absolute pro overnight. That is why I love it. It is just so powerful. But as we see here, it's going to go through and do all the work for us. Boom. It says tweaked it. Let's come back here. Let's refresh again. See what it did. Look at that. Look at that. So let's quickly test this.
Hey there, I'm Jerry, your plumbing specialist. So whether it's a leak, clog, or burst pipe light, I've got you covered. What's your name and how can I help today?
I'm Declan the Wizard and my toilet's clogged, bro.
Thanks for letting me know, Declan. Sorry you're dealing with that. Clogged toilets are never fun. Can I get the address where you need service?
Why does he sound so creepy? No, it's good. It's good. It's just the tonality. But it's still awesome. But my fact is this thing works so well. It sounds like he's like trying to like finesse me. Like he sounds like he's like very much like a rizzing AI agent with the way he's talking. But the whole point is that this thing is insane. I came in and like that, it's now changed to a plumbing AI agent. Do you guys see how incredibly powerful this is? That is why I absolutely love Go High Levels. But the best part is if we come back here to the widget that we set up, we actually don't need to change this because we converted the entire thing that we had in the snapshot. So it's already automatically Jerry. So if we come back here to this exact support page, we'll actually do this on the live one here. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to click this. Then we're going to click this.
Hey there, I'm Jerry, your plumbing specialist. Whether it's a leak, clog, or burst pipe, I've got you covered. What's your name and how can I...
How cool is that? We go back and the whole demo is now changed to plumbing. I mean, you can come in here. Look at this. Look at how good this is. It's all plumbing related and you have the AI agents completely changed. So we didn't have to change the widget because it's already on there, guys. So that is why I love high level, guys. We can take this and we can immediately change this, change the AI agents, and we can change this entire demo to be any niche we want. So this is step number one. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below. Again, if you want access to the community and all the hand-holding, all these freebies, plus the 30-day, not the 14-day free trial, it's right down below. Because now what I want to show you is how do we get this in the hands of business owners? Because again, I'm the GHO Wizard. I want to show you everything. I'm going to walk through reaching out to leads and going through how to find businesses that need this so we can start just blitzing them. So the first step in finding the right local businesses to get these demos to so you can actually potentially make money is you need to understand what to charge for this smart website. So what I recommend is you charge this. Free for the Vibe site and then $297 plus for the AI agent. Now, why this is so sneaky is you give them this exact demo. You go, guys, okay, here it is. I can upgrade your website. And they go, oh, wow, cool. Give it to them, upgrade them. And then we go, okay, for the AI agents, $297 plus. This is a great starting point because we can always upsell them on more high-level services. And I have a lot of videos on this, guys. Drop a comment if you want to see them. But we can make the clients you have worth more money very easily by upselling. It's a little trick. But from there, this opens the door to so many other opportunities. That is why I absolutely love this, is we can constantly just keep upping the ante here. Again, I love this because it is so freaking powerful. So again, I recommend giving the Vibe site for free. That's the whole website because you saw how easy it was. You take my snapshot and you say change to whatever niche. Then you charge $297 plus the agent. Now, technically, you could charge $1,500 to $2,000 for the Vibe site. Absolutely. But the AI agent part is just a little bit better because, well, you get the recurring money, which is better. You also can take code, which I'll show you right now, and you can put this actually on any existing website too. So I'm talking this right here. We can just click get code and copy and paste this and put this on any website. And this is for this exact AI agent. So we have you covered either way. So now that you understand exactly how to change this to any niche so you can go after any niche, the exact price point to sell this for, we now move on to reaching out to local businesses, which is really important. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do plumbers. We're going to stick with the example. So you're just going to click plumbers. Then what you're going to type in is you're going to type in the exact location. So we'll just do Las Vegas. And then right here, we have a ton of different plumbers. The key is not to click more businesses, but come to maps, because if we ever want to check more, we have all of them in one straight line. So with this, we basically have all of the leads you could possibly need. Now, again, because we can change this exact demo to any single niche, okay, we can go after any niche. You can put an HVAC, lawyer, electrician, landscaper, nail guy, you name it. Whatever you want, we can pretty much do. That's why I absolutely love this. So step number one is you find the businesses you want to work for and find. So if we just click, let's go down here. We'll just do these guys. I'm not trying to pick on any of these businesses. This is completely random. But yeah, definitely could use a new website, and there are no AI chatbots in here. See, this actually looks like this is built on Go High Level. But guess what? It's a basic form. It's not a chatbot. It's not like a, hey, how you doing? So you want to give them those things, which if this is high level, you could easily just build it out for them. So damn, free lead for you. But you just go down here and you find all these different people where it's like, you look at the website. Again, I'm not picking on anyone. These are all great people. I'm just saying these people can use your services. You just go right down Google and you find all the people that don't have AI integrations. This is like your leads. These are the people you want. So now the whole trick is once you have them, you just need to reach out and send them this link. Now you can use messages like this if you want, but honestly, what I recommend you do is you get this exact Vibe site. Okay. Make it exactly, just like I showed you how to do earlier in the video. You change it, you tweak it, but then you use like a certain business, like these guys, like copy the business so it's like mimics the business. So mimic the business. Once you have it mimicked and you have it ready to go, find the exact business. Say you're doing Much Better Plumbing, you completely redo it. Then you go to these guys and you call them, you email them, you try to walk in. If you're not in the proximity, you try to DM them. You do every single method of reach out as possible. What too many people teach online, and this is because a lot of the gurus don't know what they're talking about, is they tell people to, go and just send an email, just do this, just do that. A lot of people will not respond because they have lives. They're busy. They just don't see it. You have to hit them with as many different channels as possible to get a hold of them. Yes. And again, always follow compliance laws. Don't be doing scammy shit, but always try to reach out in multiple different ways because it's how you're going to get attention. And then all you say simply is, hey, I want to give you this AI website for free. Boom, give it to them. They demo it. It's simple as that. You can use messages just like this. They demo it and they see the value firsthand. It's that simple. I'm telling you, this is not hard. You saw earlier that this absolutely is possible. People do literally actually crush with this. It's all you have to do. It's literally all you have to do. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I genuinely really recommend you go and join my free community. Again, try High Level for free for the 30 days because if you can get in, again, I'm not promising you anything, but if you can get in, you can potentially land a client in 30 days. It'll cover the cost of subscription. And my community will always be free, but it's not that hard to do. It's really not. Again, I'm not saying you're going to be a millionaire. I'm not saying that, but a little bit of hard work never hurt nobody. And with the AI wave, it's very simple to ride. See, when I first got started, I just want to let you know in this industry, there was no such thing as any vibe coders, man. When I got started back in like 2019 and all this crap, dude, I had to go and build websites manually. I had to run ads the hard way. This was not easy. Actually doing services for marketing, like trying to do marketing for people was really hard. It was like really difficult to get people results. Now you just vibe coach it and it immediately works if they have traffic. Like no joke. If people have traffic and you set stuff up properly, it pretty much works. So make sure you get in and you take advantage of this. Also, just a massive pro tip, just prospect nonstop. Find all the businesses and continue to reach out to them. That's how you're going to make money. Just going to be honest. That's how you do it. Simple as that. So guys, if this interests you, please go do it. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Make sure you go right down below. You grab my 30-day free trial. Get all these bonuses. I'll email them right to you. Again, this is free. And as you see here, a bunch of testimonials. It's legit. And again, guys, it's free when you use High Level Underman. It's a no-brainer. Like it's literally a no-brainer. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to link a video at the end of this video. It's just going to go over what you get a little more depth so you can see this is legit. Also, it's going to show you some of these videos so you see that like I'm not just yapping. So thank you so much for watching and watch the video that pops up right now.